Hey Hoopers! Welcome to my channel. I'm Liora of Infinite Comings, and today I brought to you a hula hooping combo that is great for beginners, and if you don't know any of these tricks, that's okay. I've already taught all of them on the Sacred Flow Art YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to each of the individual tutorials in the description below. Let's get started. We start in a forward fold with the hoop around our body swaying side to side until you come all the way up, bringing the hoop out in an isolation position with hands on both sides. Coin flip the hoop around your body and then spiral it down into a vertical isolation. We're going to do a flower, 2 flowers. From there, turn your back to where the audience would be, continuing the flower behind the back, or a mandala. Do 2 of those, transitioning straight into a forward weave or a basic weave, and then turning back towards the audience for a regular isolation. That's it. Great job, guys! To get yourself your own hula hoop like the one that we used in this video, head over to the Sacred Flow Art website, sacredflowart.com/shop, and use my code infinitytrinity to get yourself a discount.